Hey, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy LC. It's another episode of Heroes and Villains Collectibles, where we bring you all things superhero related. And here, as you guys can see, I got another one for you. Going back to the old classic Iron Man, right here. Go ahead, put it down right there. Check this out. I'm excited about this one. You got the classic Iron Man from the comic books. This is how he used to look originally when he was, how he was portrayed in the comics. That right there. So this is the Iron Man from Diamond Select. You know, nice simple box. It's gonna be easy unboxing, nice and simple. Let me get my handy dandy tools. Oh man, oh got it. Hold up. All right. So real quick, while I'm doing this, hope everybody's been catching up on the Disney Plus shows. Alright, we just had the WandaVision that just finished airing on Disney Plus. Now we got the Falcon and Winter Soldier. So, hope everybody's caught up to that. They just aired the first episode of Falcon and Winter Soldier on yesterday. So, Friday. Alright. So, this statue, I actually went and bought it at the comic book store. I was in Fort Lauderdale. So I went to Tate's Comics. And I bought this one, and I bought the Ebony Maw from Infinity War. Also Diamond Select. Nice and simple. Wow. Looks pretty good. Right here. Looks pretty good. I guess I'm supposed to know this thing. There we go. Pretty good. Not bad. I'll do a close-up towards the end of the video. But yeah, this one here, I picked it up myself. I was in Fort Lauderdale last weekend, so I'm like, you know what? I like it. I like the shininess. I like the portrait of the old, the classic Spider-Man. Classic Iron Man. Yeah. I like the colors. How it makes how that red pops out. I just happen to have this right here. See that right there. All right, because I had like some. Boom. Looks good. Looks good. Sometimes these statues will catch dust, believe it or not, just being in the boxes. I don't know. But all right, looks pretty good, pretty good. I like the base. I like how it looks. He's right there. You got the flames. Well, he's ready for takeoff as he's taking off. It's pretty cool. I like that. Nice classic Iron Man. Besides this one, yeah, I got the other. I got like about the other Iron Man, the I Am Iron Man. But this one goes more towards the comics because of that classic look. I like that. Nice, simple. Hold on. Let's put it toward the light. You know what? I feel like if I put, I'm gonna see if I put like a light underneath because it's hollow. So I can put it underneath. Maybe it'll make this glow a little bit. The base. You know, I'll see what I can do there. I might have something for that. But yeah, man, it looks cool. I'll give you guys the close up. Yeah, on that one right there, that one, pretty good buy. Be on the lookout also for next Friday, next week's video. It's gonna be the unboxing for the Ebony Mall. That one's from also Diamond Select as well. I also picked that one up at Tate's Comics. So what else we got? We also have the giveaway, 1,000 subscribers, slowly but surely. But we got the X23. So we also have that one going there. Make sure to share, like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. You know what I mean? And that way just be on the lookout, man, for when we're dropping new stuff. I actually had to buy these. Main reason I bought them is because I'm still waiting on back order stuff. Like, man, things just taking a long time to get here. So one of the main reasons I'm like, you know what, let me just buy so I can have something, you know. So wanted to buy this one and the Ebony Mall. Yep. And so I'm happy about that. Yeah. Alright, so it was nice and simple. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the close-up now. And that way you guys can check it out. Alright, so let's do that. Here you guys got them. Turn it. Alright. Here you guys got them. That all right there. Check out those colors, how shiny that is. All right, he's ready for takeoff. See, I like that, the way they made it look. I got a little close up now when it comes. You guys can check out that portrait really good. Without the comic books. There you go. Right out the comic. Keep zooming into the background there. There you go. Look at that. Boom. There you go. Classic Iron Man. Alright guys, well there you have it. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you guys thought about the video. Make sure you share, like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. You know, be on the lookout for next week's video. Is going to have the unboxing for the Ebony Mall, which is cool because I put them up next to, I might put them next to Thanos. So be on the lookout for that one. Also, share, like, subscribe for the 1,000 subscriber X23 giveaway. We also have that also going on. And make sure to tune in Disney Plus. Let me know if you want. I don't know. I was thinking about it, but I was thinking about doing like the reviews for the shows. So we just had the WandaVision, the whole series just dropped. And I didn't do any show reviews for those. But Falcon and Winter Soldier dropped. So if you want me to do like the review for the show, like episode 1 that just dropped, and be doing reviews for Marvel shows, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you guys want to see that. You know, I'll do some reviews for the Disney Marvel shows coming out. And then, you know, you guys can see, if you haven't seen the episode and you like the review, then you might want to jump on the episode. But yeah, right now, Falcon and Winter Soldier, episode 1, just dropped yesterday. So it's a weekly show. Only has 6 episodes. They're about an hour long. Well, realistically, like about 45 minutes long each episode. So episode 1 is done. We got 5 more to go. So, alright guys, so on that note, I will let you guys go. Yeah, just be on the lookout. Make sure to share, like, subscribe. Watch the shows. Let me know if you want me to do reviews to the shows. Remember, we still got the Hawkeye show coming. We still got the Loki show coming. So, okay. Alright guys, so on that note, this is another episode of Heroes and Villains Collectibles. Until next time, peace.